So in this video, we have question number 1.4 of solution chapter, class 12th, chemistry. And the question says, is concentrated nitric acid used in laboratory work is 68% by mass hai. Okay, so it is mass by mass percent, right? And the nitric acid by mass in aqueous solution in water, right? So HNO3 in water, mass of HNO3, mass of total solution. So water, it is solute is HNO3 and solvent is water. That is the case. What should be the molarity of such a sample of the acid if the density of the solution is 1.504 gram per milliliter, right? So whenever this is necessary for calculating molarity, because from this value you can calculate the volume in liter. So for that this is given. Everywhere if you see in any question, if the density is given, that means you have to calculate molarity. The question is going to ask to calculate molarity, so it is a hint. Okay, so now let's see that how you can solve this question and how you can write this question in your exam if it comes. So first of all, you can see that this is the steps that you have to follow. First of all, you have to calculate the mass of the solution, right? But the steps are given, and when you are going to follow this and solve this, you will feel that it is solvable. But the approach in mind, that this is the first step that I have to do, how it will going to come in your mind. So this is the problem that a student faces, right? So that's why what I do, how I approach is I go with first principle. So first of all, what I think that I have to calculate molarity, right? So for molarity, I need mass of moles of solute. Here it is moles of solute, not mass, moles of solute. Number of moles of solute, right? So for molarity, I need moles of solute, right? And for moles of solute, I need mass of solute, so that I can put in formula of this and divide by molecular weight, I can get the moles. So mass of solute is also needed, right? So I went to the first step, from last step to third step. Then for mass of solute, I need for the mass of solute, I need the mass percent concentration. So I can know that from the total amount of solution, how much mass of HNO3 is there, right? So from there I get to know that I need this mass percent, weight percent concentration that is given here, right? And from there I came to know that I have to calculate the total mass. For calculating the mass of HNO3, I need to calculate the total mass, and that's why this is the first step that I have to start, right? That is that I can calculate from the mass, from the density form, density that is given here, right? So from here and now I am totally ready for solving this question, because all the steps are clear in my mind, right? So first of all, I have to take this data, and from there I have to now calculate the mass of solution. From mass of solution, I need to calculate the mass of HNO3, and once I got the mass of HNO3, I am able to calculate the moles of HNO3 in 1 liter, and once I know the moles of HNO3, I can use it in the molarity formula and get to my answer, right? So this is the approach that I have to follow, right? So this way you have to think. Okay, this is the approach. Now let's solve the question step by step. Okay, so first of all, you have to write given that, then what are the given things that you have: mass percentage of HNO3, the density of the solution, and the molar mass HNO3, right? And first step is you have to calculate the mass of solution. So for mass of solution, how you're going to calculate is using the density relation that is given. So 1.504 gram per ml it is given, and I have to calculate the total mass in 1 liter. So I have divided multiplied it with ml, 1000 ml, right? So now this mass is present in your total liter, 1 liter solution, right? Now what you have to calculate is the mass present in mass of the HNO3 that is present in total 1 liter solution. So you have to just you have the total mass, and you have the mass percent, mass by mass percent, right? So you have to just divide it, multiply it with the total mass, and you will get the constituent of mass of HNO3, that is 1022.72 gram, right? And after calculating that, you have to calculate in third step the moles of HNO3, because you know now the mass of HNO3. So mass of HNO3, given mass of HNO3 that you have calculated by molecular weight of HNO3, and that is the formula for number of moles, and that will give you 16.23 moles of HNO3 present in 1 liter of solution. And now you can calculate the last step, that is molarity. And for molarity, what you have, moles of solute, here I have to write moles of solute, moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. And I have the volume of solution in liter. I have calculated this 16.23 moles in 1 liter solution, right, in the starting of my steps, right? So the volume right now that we have is, in 1 liter solution I have 16.23 moles of HNO3, and that's why the calculation is going to be 16.23 molar, right? So this is the answer that you have to write. Okay, simple. So you have to know the approach, that how you have to approach the questions, or get to know that with what step I have to start. So go with the first principle, what you have to calculate, then for that what I need, then for that what I need, and then for that what I need, and then solve this. Okay, simple.